Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Twitch Build. What is Twitch Build? Are you a video game player and curious to interact with other players from all over the world? Probably that's what every gamer wants. They want to interact with other gamers and play a match. This is what Twitch Build is all about. It is providing numerous chances for each and every player. Next is streaming on Twitch Build. Twitch Build not only helps you to play game, but you can even stream on Twitch Build. You can be a part of live game. It is excited to know this fact. It is not only used by gamers to compete with each other, but also for those who admire and enjoy gaming. They can also watch a live game by other gamers. This video basically focuses on video games. This is a big and unique platform for video gaming, chatting and other things. If you choose to watch the video game, you can also take advantage of chatting with others. You can give a response to the live games going on. Few people only use this Twitch Build to chat with gamers. They gain information about how they can play video games effectively and gain better scores. By watching how others apply different strategies and techniques in the game, you will find ways to tackle players. You must be aware that streaming is not free. Well, here we are talking about the internet. You need to get an adequate amount of internet services and perfect system resources. Your device should have advanced technology to run faultlessly while you are streaming or playing a match. Next is do it using any device. As we have earlier spoken, the use of internet, it is very important to note that Twitch Build does not have any kind of restrictions over the usage of device. You can use your iPhone, Android or your PC. You just need to take care that your device should have an adequate system to run your gaming as well as streaming faultlessly. People do it mostly by using their PC as it has advanced processors, CPUs and GPU. PC and laptops are especially designed for gaming and streaming purpose. They have a vast memory. Whether you want to do streaming or gaming, they won't interrupt due to the system requirements. They prevail a good system software, good quality of webcam and microphone. You should take care of whichever device you choose for streaming or gaming on Twitch Build. It should have a good quality of the webcam and a microphone. It would help to make your interaction with other players productive and a favorable quality. Imagine what if you are interacted with other player but both cannot understand what each of you is trying to say or show. That meeting is worthless. Claim to be a champion. When you play more, you gain more, whether it is an experience or your scores on Twitch scoreboard. This is what Twitch Build is based on. You gain the reputation of a respectable player based upon your ratings and scores on the Twitch scoreboard. You can claim to be a champion in a particular virtual game. Conclusion. Before we conclude the Twitch Build, we do hope you would be clear with what is Twitch Build. We have tried to explain it in the precise detail and have mentioned all the necessary and essential information about Twitch Build. It is considerable platform giving every player numerous chances to provide themselves. You may approve that even you are defeated, you do not need to speculate that what you are a loser. In case if you have any query regarding more information about Twitch Build, feel free to ask in the comment section. We will be happy we could help. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you everyone.